Hey everybody, it's Stephen Bashley here with Airworx Unmanned Solutions. So we're cleaning up a final Go-Command case, an OG, going out to a customer in Indiana. So just kind of wanted to quickly walk you through it and show you what sets our Go-Command case apart maybe from other types of monitor cases that you see on the market. So this again is our Airworx Go-Command OG, the original. So what we come up with the name, this is our most popular. We have 3 different sizes. This particular one has a 24-inch UltraBright sunlight viewable monitor. So we had this custom made. This is a custom made product that we spec'd out. It's an all metal frame monitor. It has a fan integrated inside to keep it cool because it does get hotter because of the ability to be in the sunlight, and the monitor produces more heat. This is a 1600 nit capacity, 1600 candela. And again, this is direct sunlight viewable. So you can pull this out on the bed of a pickup truck or in your SUV, set it out on the ground on a scene, off the grid, and you don't have to have shade. That's one of the most important aspects of this particular unit. We also include our battery pack. So this is kind of a tried, true, and tested battery pack that we include. You can quickly see, plug this in. This is a 60,000 milliamp, 300 watt power supply. Turn it on. This is a lithium ion. It stores its energy for quite a while. This has a really long shelf life. We've had these for 6 or 8 months at different times in stock, and we can pull them off and they'll have full energy, full power. So they store energy really well. As you can see, when this comes up right away, our Airworx Go-Command logo comes up. This is a screen mirroring or a screen casting module that we also had custom made for us that is integrated here. And what this allows you to do is a smart controller. For example, this is a Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced kit. The DJI standard smart controller, also your Enterprise or your smart controller Enterprise for M300s, and as well as your RC Plus controller. All of these will cast wirelessly the image to this display from 10 to 20 feet away, depends on how close you are. It's just a Wi-Fi connection. So that's a great component to have on board, as well as we have an HDMI input here on the front with a switch. So it's easy just to plug an HDMI in from any source and have that displayed up on the image. Again, you have the fan. You can hear the fan running in the background to keep this cool. That has a sensor integrated in that also drives the intensity of the screen display. So inside, it's going to be at low intensity. If you get outside in the sunlight, it's going to cause that to kick up to full power. That does make a difference in how long this battery pack will run this monitor, and that's anywhere from 1.5 hours up to 6 hours, depending on how bright it is and how much energy it's pulling. We do recommend that if you have ability to be on a grid or an inverter, anything of that nature with the power, that you can do that. But that's it. Again, this particular case has a Mavic 2 Advanced kit in there, as you can see. Everything, all your batteries. The only thing that changes from this kit to any other kit that we have is simply the foam. We have the foam set for the M30 systems or the M30T with the LP12 attached, so you can leave that on all the time and put that aircraft down inside the case. A series of batteries, one single or a dual controller setup. We have these for Autel standard systems, Autel Enterprise. We have them for the M300 accessories. We customize these out, dual layers for multiple smaller platforms, but we can basically make these cases for anything that you'd like. But if you have any questions about the Airworx Go-Command, shoot us a message. We'd love to talk to you.